Hi guys, today in this video we will review Cox internet. Is this internet good for your gaming purpose or not? Is this brand's internet good or not? What are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any service on this platform, and which internet plan is best for you, for your gaming, for your home purpose, for your daily usage, okay, for uploading and downloading. So in this video we will cover lots of information, so let's get started. If we talk about this Cox is a very popular internet service provider, and they have good review on internet. And if we talk about the first problem of this brand is their customer support. So you can see over here they are available on Trustpilot. On the Trustpilot you will see they have approx 1600 reviews, and most of the reviews is negative. You can overly positive negative reviews, okay. So the problem of the negative reviews is customer support. Their customer support is not easy, and the cancellation of the contract is also little bit hard, and some of the customers is trying to cancel their services, but it's not easy to cancel the service, and there are some charges also if you want to cancel the service, okay. So this is the first problem. And if we talk about customer support, even you can see over here there are lots of negative reviews. Even single review, support, single message is not coming from the brand. So this is the very bad thing. Now if we talk about the internet plans, so basically they have three plans. The first is 500 Mbps, and the second is 1 gig internet, and the 2 gig internet. So basically the 500 Mbps plan is costing is very high, like $85 per month. In this plan the internet speed is not too good. So basically you will get 500 Mbps download speed, okay, but the upload speed is only 10 Mbps, which is very low. In this speed you are not able to in stream fluently. You will face some kind of buffering issues related to streaming, okay, if you want to stream any kind of games and all. So for the streaming purpose, at least you need 30 to 40 Mbps, okay. So in this plan, they have this one plan, 1 gig internet plan. In this plan there are some there is a good internet speed, 35 Mbps speed is good. So if you want to use this internet for gaming purpose, for streaming videos, for any kind of thing, then this plan is good for you, okay. But the costing is little bit expensive. $100 per month is really expensive, and in the market there are so many internet options is also available. So if you have so much money, then you can use this service, and you can use this 1 gig internet. If you don't have so much money, if you want internet only for general purpose, then this plan is only best option for you, and this plan is only the last option for you. In this plan you can play videos, you can watch videos, you can watch movies, and you can do video conference, but gaming streaming is not good in this package, but most of the things you can do easily, okay. So these are the things. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, and if you have any experience with this brand, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review, okay. So bye bye, take care.